Lots is going on last 48 hours, and firstly, my condolences to all the victims. It's beyond expression. Whatever I say wouldn't make up to things at all. And let me just make one thing very clear, that why is the Pakistan government behaving as if the terrorists have outsourced its task to the Pakistan government? Why are they in panic in terms of their army, navy, and air force? We have not given a statement. We have not mentioned the word of Pakistan. We have only mentioned war. We have declared war on terror, war on terrorism and terrorists, and those who are backing them. अब backing them में if चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका, that is the reason why they are issuing NOTAMs. They are high alert. Their aircrafts are literally patrolling all night. Trust me, we are not going to do anything right now. We are going to stretch you so far ahead. We are going to tire you out mentally, and then we are going to move in. And जहां तक कल में पढ़ने की बात है ना, मतलब आतंकवादियों के सर हम कलम करेंगे. मतलब सर को धड़ से अलग करना हमारे लिए वो कलम होता है, ठीक है. और जहां तक आतंकवादियों का कलमे की बात है, ठीक है, फेयर इनफ, जो भी है, यू विल गेट इट बैक इन द वर्स्ट पॉसिबल वे. नाउ one more message that I need to give to the so-called petrified neighbor, that a ex-Pentagon official gave a statement. I'm quoting, an ex-Pentagon official gave a statement: if you put lipstick on the pig will still remain a pig. It's not, quote, it's said by an ex-Pentagon official. So you very well should know that all the diplomats who have been briefed today evening are in a real good mood to have Pakistan's happiness. Enough that ISI has gone to bed with CIA and the Chinese intelligence agencies, and now you wait and watch how Taliban is going to hammer you, how Iran is going to have your happiness, and how Baluchistan is going to screw your happiness, because you are just whining for one Jafar Express. Were you so incompetent? Were your attack helicopters so incompetent that you could not handle one train siege, and you are putting the blame of 200 who were killed in that train, Jafar Express, on India? I mean, we have no interest in your land. We are not interested. We don't want anything. We don't have trade with you. We have no connection with you. And now with this incident, you have isolated yourself. And let me tell you one thing, there will be no prisoners this time. कोई 93,000 की खातेदारी नहीं होगी. You must be one of the sons or grandsons of those 93,000 POWs. We will not do the mistake now. We will ensure that the body count is more. I want to make one thing amply clear to you. Captain इम्तियाज मलिक और कैप्टन कर्नल शेर की बॉडी तो ले जाओ. बुज़दिल पाकिस्तानी, तुमसे अच्छे तो गिरे हुए इंसान है. तुम तो गिरों से भी गिरे हुए हो. खुद थूक के उसे ही चाटते हो. You lick your own spit. You do not even own your own soldiers. तुम जाफर एक्सप्रेस के टाइम अपने 200 फौजी भी नहीं बचा सके. जो तुमने फ्रंटियर कोर के जवान और अफसरों को अरेस्ट करके एग्जीक्यूट किया है, क्योंकि उन्होंने बलूचियों को मारने से मना कर दिया था. They are ethnically cleansing the population.